What's going on, guys, and welcome. If you're just tuning into this series, this week I'm doing a series of videos on the iPhone 13 Pro Max best cases. These cases are the best because of protection, style, MagSafe, and wireless charging. Each of these phones, they're gonna have different elements of that, but I compiled a list to put them all together, and that's what make these the best. If you're new to this channel and you are gonna appreciate any of this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning and this is helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It definitely helps the channel out. Spidey's our official timekeeper as always. All right, so right in front of us, we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Mag case. You can get this case on Amazon for about $21.99. This is a clear version. Obviously, you can see that little ring right here. You know what that means? MagSafe, baby. So we're gonna be testing all that stuff out. So without any further ado, we're gonna slap this on. Now this case is good for if you have a cool color. I think the gray is cool, but if you have the cooler color, like maybe the gold one, and you want to show off the color of that case, this case, or the color of that phone, this case is good for that. See-through, it's nice. It definitely has some raised edges, so you can see the protection on it. Has a little lip on there, but you have your cutouts for your volume up and down, the cutout for your volume switch, and then you have the cutout for the camera. Very raised edge, so your camera lenses will be protected. I keep taking pictures of everything. What is this guy doing? Anyways, and then the power button, cutout for your speakers, and your charging port right here. All right, so if this thing lands flat like this, boom, 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 it's protected. So drawback from this, it does have, it's like a fingerprint magnet. So I've been using this case for several months now, so this review of this case is very well documented. Trust me, I did my research. But this thing is fingerprint heavy. I like using this case to show off my phone, but I don't know, I'm OCD. The fingerprints, they bother me. But anyways, obviously you see the MagSafe, you see the MagSafe ring right there. Throw this on, it stick like glue. You shake it, it's not coming off. Very strong magnet. So want to test the wireless charging. Boom, snaps right into place because it's MagSafe compatible. Wait, is it charging? No. What? Why is it not charging? Hold on, let's reset. Ladies and gentlemen, let's reset. Hold on, put this back on here. Snappity snap. There you go, you got wireless charging. All right, but I definitely recommend this case. Only $21.99 on Amazon. Spigen products are very good. I highly recommend Spigen products. Almost every phone I've ever gotten, I've gotten a Spigen case. So kudos to Spigen for constantly making a case for damn near every phone that comes out. But I recommend this case. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video in this series. And as always, peace.